So here's how you can create a daily affirmations with the shortcuts on the iPhone. So let me show you which I think is the best way to do it. So if you are new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So since we are using the Apple Shortcuts app, we're gonna get inside to the main shortcuts menu and we need to start a new one. And there are actually many ways how you can get the text delivered to you, but I think that the best way is to use the show alert function. So you can start a new shortcut and choose the action to be, as I said, show alert, right? And essentially you can see that there is going to be the place for the title, and in the title you can tap the phrase which you want to be reminded of, whatever it might be. You can paste something, whatever. So that's going to be whatever you decide. And then below you have also the show cancel button option. I personally keep that turned off because, when you keep it turned off, it's only going to show you the OK thing, right? So let me give you an example of how it would work and look if you run that shortcut. So this is, you can see this is what it would show up, right? So you can set up the text right there, and basically you can set up both like the alert as well as the title, so make sure you set it up exactly the way that you would want it. Okay, so that's one thing, but in order for that shortcut to be delivered to you, we need to set up the automation. So when you go to automation, you can start a new one, and either based on a time of the day or based on whether you arrive to one place or leave it, or when you receive a message, or I don't know, connects to your home Wi-Fi or whatever, something that triggers that notification being delivered. So essentially you can, for most people, it's going to be the I don't know, time of the day that's the most reliable, but perhaps you can turn on the based on the focus mode. So when I enable the work mode and I get to work, I'm going to get the affirmation delivered to me and I can read the text which I want to. So as you can see, there are more ways how you're going to do this, but I personally find that to be the best way to actually go about it. So I would really love to hear your opinion below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the next tutorials and videos like this one.